Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, okay? Hope you are practicalizing what you have been learning through this platform. Remain blessed. Okay, today I'm going to teach you what to be taking so that you will not have cholesterol. Very, very important. It is called parsley. They use it for salads, they use it for a lot of things. But when I discovered the nutritional content of parsley, I cannot do without it. I can't cook without this. So parsley, P-A-R-S-L-E-Y, parsley. This has a lot of vitamins. It's very good for controlling also blood pressure. Helps also to control your diabetes for some of us that are suffering from diabetes. How do you make use of parsley? It's either you eat it like this. You get it, you remove the stems, the leaves are what is important. So it's either also you juice it, you put it in your blender, you juice it with this. Where you people banning or how will I speak this for you to understand that this is super medicine? Have you seen these two things? This is celery, this is parsley. This is parsley, the tiny one is parsley. Do you know where I discovered all these things? From Arab country, they cannot do without herbs. They can't do without spices. Also Indians, these are people that knows how to eat these things. So when you want to make use of it as a juice, when you want to juice it, combine it with celery. But if you cannot get celery around where you are living, parsley can still work. Parsley controls the bad, that is the LDL, the bad cholesterol in our system. Okay, so it's either you juice it with celery or alone, or you cut it small like this. You can chop it small, fold it properly, cut it small. Have you seen the way I'm cutting it? Yes, it's not a must you become as fast as I am because I'm in it. Yeah, have you seen it? You chop it small like this and you sprinkle on every food you want to eat. You will love yourself. But start by juicing it. Put it in the blender, crush it properly, then you drink. When you are drinking it, you see it's greenish. That is how it's cleaning and detoxifying your skin. Very, very good for detoxification of this of the system, and it's very good for heart. It's very good for digestive health also. So parsley and celery are very, very good. Please keep practicalizing these things. Start to change the way you cook, what you give to the family, so that the children will never become sick. If you still have little children at home, introduce these things early to them. Stop giving them too much of sugary things. You won't see sweet biscuits around me. Cake, stop. Main base for cake is sugar. So when you introduce all these things to children at early stage, if that child continues like that, that child will be diabetic. So we have to be very conscious of what we feed our family with, what we eat. And if you do suffer from mood swing, today you are happy, the next day you are not happy. When you blend this, next time I will show you chamomile tea. Blend this with chamomile and drink. You will sleep like a newborn baby. Okay, another thing is, have you seen this? It's a magic herb. Very good for libido. And it helps in also to increase your energy level. So people under my voice, I beg you, engage in these things and you will see changes in your health. Okay? Above all, exercise and the exercise. Then water first thing in the morning. You wake up in the morning after brushing your teeth. Or if you had brushed at night properly in the morning, your mouth will be smelling well. You can take warm water before you brush again. 2 cups of warm water early morning. Okay? Then make sure you keep taking water for the day. You will never be sick. This kidney thing, you will now say then. Okay? So please keep connecting to this platform. Okay? Keep subscribing, comment. Remain blessed till we meet again. A quick one.